Bentley Continental GT Mulliner convertible. To drive the world's most finely crafted luxury Grand Tourer is one thing. To drive it with the top down is quite another. Combining exhilarating performance with exquisite Mulliner craftsmanship and the latest automotive technology, the Continental GTC Mulliner is a convertible GT unlike any other, available with either a 4.0-litre V8 engine or a 6.0-litre W12 engine. It features digitally controlled chassis systems that guarantee a glorious drive, whatever the weather, with innovations in comfort, handling and convertible design. This is a car you can enjoy driving with the top down all year round. Consider it the most exquisitely crafted convertible on the road, crafted to match the Mulliner detailing seen elsewhere on the car. The gleaming radiator grille is paired with bright chrome lower bumper grilles. To make an instant statement, the exquisite convertible lines of the Continental GTC are complemented with exclusive Mulliner detailing, including gleaming wing vents, Mulliner badging and mirror caps painted satin silver. The 10-spoke 22 Mulliner wheels feature a duotone painted and polished finish that creates a sense of extra depth in the center. Self-leveling wheel badges keep the Bentley B logo upright at all times,